right, so this item is from Supreme Week 11, Fall Winter 2023, and I'm super excited, so I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna take it out of the box. I appreciate you. Thank you. Sounds like we just broke something. Luckily it was styrofoam. So this is the real box, or maybe there's another box in the box. Let's see. It literally looks like 1,000 box logo stickers. I'm gonna turn around so you can see it from me. So this is what the inside looks like. This is what the top of the box looks like. So if you got this table, you've seen this before. If not, here you go, you're welcome. Subscribe. There's probably a smarter way to get this out. This shit is heavy and it's hollow. You can see how it was made. I see a ton of glue. It'd be cool if I couldn't see what I'm seeing right now. It's literally a glory hole in the bottom of this table. Straight face. That's the glory hole. Inside of it, you can see all the glue. You can see everything they used to make this table, and you can definitely see that it's not made the most quality. Supreme. What the f is going on? If I didn't see the bottom first, I'd be like, yo, wow, this shit is crazy. See what the finish feels like. Okay. The top feels pretty good. I'm really glad they didn't just make the table like a flat piece. They like made it look like one was missing here. I think that makes the table stand out a lot more. And you can see I got, that's how you know if you order a lot of Supreme or not. I didn't buy these off eBay. You can put one together like that. But man, honestly, without the hole, I really like the table. Because like I said, everything I bought from Supreme that's an accessory always comes smaller than expected. I didn't ever mention the retail on this was actually $268. Shipping was probably a little bit more because it's a bigger item. Probably paid around $300 at the end of the day. Supreme accessories can be really weird. It really depends on how many were made, but I think anybody that sees this table will definitely say something. It's definitely an eye catcher. I'm keeping it, but this is a quick unboxing video just to show you guys probably one of Supreme 2023's coolest items in my opinion. Not for resale, not to make money on, but just have as a collector. So if you're a Supreme collector, again, hit that like and follow button and let us know if you caught this table or not, or what your favorite Supreme accessory was 2023. And we will see you guys on the next Hype episode.